Guys, today I'll make a pine punch. Yeah man. If you don't know what to know. Yeah man, I make a punch from pine and we're gonna flavor it with island spice vanilla. Yeah man. So these are the ingredients of the guys, today I'll make a pine punch. Yeah man. If you don't know what to know. Yeah man, I make a punch from pine and we're gonna flavor it with island spice vanilla. Yeah man. So these are the ingredients of the pine. So simple. The pine, the vanilla, the dragon, one suppagent, and one milk. That's all I'm putting out today. Right? Yeah. And the idea of animal guys, big up man called Black because him gave it and say, oh, I want to try it. Yeah. Whenever him, we wouldn't know what style here. So now you would. I use some paper and guy, but now I use all I today. Just not put me on it. So look at that pretty nice. Look at that. It smells sweet too. Snappy. So, while use pine guys, so you can blend it, but not great time today. Can show and I ain't sure anything then. But me choose suppagent. And I always use Jevaughn because I don't like the Guinness, because the Guinness make the punch bitter. So I'm gonna get this ready now guys. Maybe you can like blend it, peel it, blend it, and have to strain it. Alright, then just blend it and strain it. And then make the punch with the juice. But you know, say, when I blend it, I get all this guys. If you're not strain it. Right? So sweeten up time now. So one thing, and we come back now and sweeten up one thing. So stay tuned. So guys, I'm gonna say we're gonna spice up with the island spice vanilla. We always use the island spice products, you know. But today, I first I use the vanilla. I will use the rose water. We always use the season, the all-purpose and all that. Yeah, man. So first I use the vanilla today. Alright, so we put some into that one water. So we get the vanilla hands to guys and it's up with your knife. Get in some milk. And the Jevaughn. So guys, so we're trying to find punch, you know. Gwaan cool. But I know. No sweet and nice, you're not gonna. I have pine flavor on it, but the good same way. It doesn't kind of kill the pine flavor. But when you eat this like this, fresh. But the one cool. Gwaan cool. Blessings are this, so my turn me finally take on the pineapple punch. Firstly, you need a sweet pineapple. But even we kinda hard, you know, because kind of have to know which pineapple is sweet, because you can pick a pineapple on a bite, you know, that's sweet. Cause it can smell nice like the one of me use. On my bite, it smells nice. But you know that's sweet. So I can hard to know, but I'm gonna say would recommend a sweet pineapple. And you gotta be careful how much Jevaughn or Guinness they use, because as I know, Jevaughn and Guinness have more dominant flavor. The flavor higher. So you gotta be careful how much you use, because they use the Jevaughn and kill the pineapple flavor. Right? But if I should choose between the pine and ginger or the pineapple punch, I would definitely choose the pineapple with the ginger. The pine and ginger juice, wow, top notch, very nice. But I say the pineapple punch was nice, but the pineapple and the ginger, very nice. Yeah. So guys, remember, like the video, comment and tell me what you think about this idea. And again, big up Gaffer, because I feel like when I watch what me eat something I've tried. Yeah man, big up, it's not my style. Yeah man. And guys, don't be afraid to experiment with food. Try new things, man. And subscribe. So guys, man, I'll catch you in our next video. So look for more.